Well, there's going to be a lot of homes this is going to take months to clean up. So a lot of these homes around the lake that are our Airbnbs are not going to be open, and they're probably going to end up canceling their dates, the reservations. Amy's niece and sister has already canceled theirs because their home is not available on Mullet Lake. So there's going to be a lot of those.
What do you think that the Airbnb owners how should they be looking at this? Like,
they need to get it fixed, and get it remedied so that they can get it rented out. Because the longer it sets not having income, the more it's going to cost them. So probably people are going to be, already got like weddings or graduations or whatever, that they're going to need a place to stay. So they're going to start looking at alternative areas for reservations.
What would you say to people who are thinking about doing it, maybe not as professionals, but who are thinking about trying to make their homes available just this summer, for example, on Airbnb?
I think it would be a good thing. I did see a post today about a young lady that her house was flooded out, and the place that she was gonna stay flooded out, so she's looking for a different place and willing to spend X amount of dollars a month and do a month to month or move around, whatever. But so that was kind of a something for maybe somebody has an apartment, or has an apartment above their garage, or an upstairs or an extra bedroom or something like that they want to rent out. They can do that.
Would you do it through Airbnb, or would you do it one-to-one?
Your best bet would probably be to go through Airbnb or, Verbo, just for protection. Get the water out, buy some sandbags. I posted on Facebook Marketplace that I'm donating, anybody that needs any sand, donating the sand for sandbags. I've had people show up and fill sandbags up. Had a couple of people show up with a dump trailer to get a dump trailer load of sand to go fill their sandbags. Other guy's supposed to come today, but it's raining now. He's on Mullet Lake. So there's a lot of things that can be done. That's all in a nutshell, basically.
Visit dananutt.org/help. That's DANANUTT.org/help to learn more about how Dana can personally help you put on your work boots and take back control of your time, your money, and your life through real estate investing.